Well, it's been quite a few years with the train yards back up and running again, and well, there's the Santa Fe going into the tunnel, and that's the trolley taking it around the track. Santa Fe goes into the tunnel over here. Comes out down here. Gonna slow down through the city just a little bit, but only enough to pick up speed and go past the rail yard. Into the cave. Yeah, that's a mirror, so there goes up the hill. See, there's some old relics of the old rusty yard here, and lots of fun stuff. It's been years sitting around here because, well, my son was down here in his study room and just got it back up today, so I'm real excited to see the train running again and all of the activity happen. Jeeps, you don't need no roads.